Hello guys, right, this is my house heater, and last night I could hear the bearings really go, so it's been running, let me think, 3 seasons. Yeah, it's lasted 3 seasons without me doing anything to it. You can see I've got the endoscope down the exhaust port. Look how clean that is running. Wow. I mean, it's like the day I built it. I mean, okay, yes, it has a afterburner in there, but how can it run that clean? I mean, this bend, instead of the normal like flexi piping for the exhaust, yeah, I have a very nice bend on it, made of copper, so it still clamps on nice and tight. Then I go into not the Chinese exhaust, I use the webasto exhaust with one bend on it, and the silencer's clear. That's as clear as anything. That's quite amazing. Okay, so all you need is a fan. Alright guys, bye for now. It's too awkward to try and video it and take it apart at the same time. But look how clean this one is running. I mean, that is really clean. Okay, so the camera picked up very little, but look how clean the chamber is in there. Wow. I mean, this runs 18 hours a day, every single day. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, well, we've all got one of these boxes, haven't we? Yeah, one of these boxes full up with crud from the previous ECU, the 2018 one. Yeah, that was absolutely tuned to crap. But this is really, really clean. I mean, that just needs a light brush over. I might make a new afterburner, and I'll probably put the 2025 new style chamber in there. That's all in one bit. Wow. Okay, so looky, 2022. It's got the date on it. Same here, 3 years. But it's not even a good quality one. Yeah, I mean, we got these weird casting lumps on it. I mean, what's all that about? Plus the body of it. That, I mean, I never noticed. I just whacked it all together. Yeah. I mean, I've still got aluminium flash on there. Yeah. Look. It's never been cleaned off. Yeah, from the casting mould. I mean, can that be the reason why it's clean? I don't know. That's just like, that's really, really odd. That really is. I was expecting one of them big deep dive, big long screwdriver, hack it all out. But that's not the case. That is clean. It's got some funny, I don't know what this brown stuff is. No idea. This has been run on normal diesel, plus when it was getting a bit puffy in the mornings and smoking, I'll probably run about 10 gallons of Shell V power for it. Even that is clean. Okay, there's a little bit of crud build up in there, but Quite amazing, absolutely. I'm quite amazed with that. Alright, okay guys, bye for now. Okay, so I'm still taking the moulding flash off. Yeah. See, like there's a big chunk of it there. Yeah, I mean that's a lot, isn't it? But is this the cause of it not choking up? I'll soon know, won't I? I mean, there is just so much metal there. Now, if it does start coking up, that's what I know what to do in the future, would be to block off this bottom half here, yeah, so the air doesn't travel across, the heat doesn't travel through the fin, yeah, at the bottom, and by not travelling through the fin, the fan is not cooling itself down and causing this exchanger to get even hotter. So if I'm doing this in 6 months time, look at it, there's tons of this shit, and that's a lot of metal in it. Look, even more there. I wonder, there isn't any more there. I wonder if just by putting a strip of aluminium across either side would actually cause this area to run hotter and not block up. So I might have actually made a problem for myself here by removing it. God knows. So I can see, I suppose. Okay, so this is the copper bend I've got on the bottom. See if I can get, there you go. So it's nice and smooth, then goes into the proper nice webasto pipe with only one bend. I have tried it all. You know, in your instructions it keeps going on about the sum of all curves, yeah? Basically what they're talking about is the more curves and the bends you put in it, the more back pressure it gets, the more it blocks up. But this is copper and it's holding up very well. Not a problem at all. So this is my cat flap heater. Let's see if I can see these here. These are arris rails for when you're repairing a fence and you don't want to move the posts out. So there's two arris rails, so they go underneath, L-shaped, and bolt it through to the door. Then put a bit of checker plate over the top, and the whole heater sits on there and blows through the cat flap. Job done. Okay, so the heater's all back together. The only noticeable difference with this new 2025 chamber and an afterburner is it used to be 20 at the back door. It's now 24 and it's 8 degrees outside, and that is absolutely burning hot. You don't want it, it's only on one. I mean, look, that's literally burning my hand here, which is well over a foot away. Can you see my hand? No, that's too. That is really, really hot. So God knows what that would be if I turn that up. Right.